Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm talking about a new addition to my highlighter collection. I am wearing it today. I literally couldn't wait to put this highlighter on. I just used it for the first time for an Instagram story, and I literally decided to sit down and film this video last minute because I felt like I had to talk to you guys about it. That's how much I loved it. So today I'm going to be talking about a brand new $5 Wet n Wild highlighter. So if you guys are interested in the highlighter I'm wearing, then just keep on watching. If you guys watched my best and worst makeup of 2018, unfortunately the Wet n Wild body luminizers for me made it into the worst products. But I thought I was kicked off the PR list, and then all of a sudden I started receiving a lot of their launches, so I really appreciate that. But there is a hidden gem inside the new launches that is the highlighter I'm wearing, and that's what I'm mainly going to be focusing on today. So they sent over a bunch of their launches, which I hope to talk about some of the lipsticks in future videos and other things, but this was the box that had bronzers and highlighters in it. So as you can hopefully see, there are 4 bronzers, 4 loose highlighters, and 2 of their pressed highlighters. This is the highlighter I'm talking about today. It's one of the pressed highlighters. I'm sure I'm gonna fall in love with some of these products as well, but this one blew me away. So this is a brand new highlighter for 2019. It is the Wet n Wild Mega Glow Highlighting Powder in the shade Bloom Time. Now, I have done so many videos on these Wet n Wild highlighters. I've mentioned multiple times that I think they are one of the best highlighters in the drugstore. I feel like Wet n Wild and Maybelline's Master Chromes are the best highlighters in the drugstore, but Wet n Wild is absolutely the most affordable because these are $5. After their last launch, I did not think I was going to find another one that I liked better, but as of right now, this Bloom Time is absolutely the best one that I have tried so far. I will link videos for you guys. I have this stack of Wet n Wild highlighters. I have swatched them all in the past. I'll give you a few comparisons today to the ones that I think are closest. So the one that I fell in love with last was Blossom Glow, and I've talked about this before. It's really beautiful for fair skin tones, but this is a lot lighter than Bloom Time. And the one before that I have compared to a lot of high-end highlighters is Golden Flower Crown. This one is more golden than Bloom Time, so I feel like they found a perfect in-between shade. So I'm just gonna add a little bit more of this Bloom Time to my face. I feel like I'm lacking a little bit on this side. Ooh, I mean, you guys, it's all over. It's the only highlighter I'm wearing right now. I'm sure you guys can see it, but I will also swatch it for you guys. But let me give you a close-up of this beauty. So here is what the pan looks like, and it definitely has such a beautiful shimmery glitter in it. Now, if you look at the pan of this highlighter, it does look like it would be glittery, but it's actually not. It is the perfect sheen on the skin. It makes my skin look like that glass wet highlight effect, and it's definitely not too glittery, but it's not so flat that it would look chalky or feel chalky at all. So I want to go ahead and put this Bloom Time highlighter on my ring finger, and I'm gonna swatch it for you guys. I definitely am going to do my research and see if this ends up being a dupe for one of my favorites, because I have a feeling it will because I like it so much. But that is Bloom Time, so I'm going to go ahead and compare it to a couple of the others. The one I think it's most similar to is probably Precious Petals, which is one of the first ones I think that came out. So I'm going to go ahead and put this one on my middle finger. So Precious Petals is on my middle finger. It's actually a lot darker and a lot less vibrant, if you guys can see. And I'm gonna go ahead and do Blossom Glow on my pointer finger, which is the icy pink. So Blossom Glow is a lot lighter. It's definitely equally as blinding, but I feel like for my skin tone, the new one is a lot more suitable. This one is perfect for when I'm very, very fair though. And then I will go ahead and put Golden Flower Crown on my pinky finger just so you guys can see the comparison. It's obviously more gold than any of the other ones. So my hand looks huge and pasty, which is hilarious, but Golden Flower Crown is on my pinky finger. So I always love to give you guys a look at the highlights with my cell phone flash so that you can see the glitter particles in them. So here they are under flash. Remember that my ring finger is the new one. And I definitely lean towards it over all of the other ones, but Wet n Wild definitely has one of my favorite highlights, so I can't talk bad about any of the others. I do think they're beautiful, but I'm just so pumped for this new one. So to give you guys a little bit more information, it says the new shades are available for $4.99 at CVS and on wetnwildbeauty.com right now, and it will be at major food, drug, and mass retailers beginning January 2019, which is well past. We are into February now. So if you guys are interested, go hunt this down. I cannot even believe how beautiful it is. And when you get it and try it, tag me in your pictures on Instagram so that I can see, because I feel like this is such a gem in the drugstore, and I just had to get on here and tell you guys about it. So for sure, I'm gonna see if this is a dupe for any of my high-end highlighters, and if it is, I will come out with a dupe video for you guys. But I think it's such a beautiful product for the price, and I really wanted to just get on here really quick and tell you about it. So if you guys like my highlighter videos, please give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I'm putting out new videos every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday at 3 p.m. And hopefully I will see you guys all in my next video. Bye.